Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam.
My dear Lord, your Lordship has introduced the system of sacrifices through the agency of daksha, and thus one may derive the benefits of religious activities and economic development. Under your regulative principles, the institution of the 4 varnas and ashramas is respected. The Brahmins therefore vow to follow this system strictly. The Vedic system of varna and ashrama is never to be neglected, for these divisions are created by the Supreme Lord himself for the upkeep of social and religious order in human society. The Brahmins, as the intelligent class of men in society, must vow to steadily respect this regulative principle. The tendency in this age of Kali to make a classless society and not observe the principles of varna and ashrama is a manifestation of an impossible dream. Destruction of the social and spiritual orders will not bring fulfillment of the idea of a classless society. One should strictly observe the principles of varna and ashrama for the satisfaction of the Creator, for it is stated in the Bhagavad Gita by Lord Krishna that the 4 orders of the social system, Brahmans, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Shudras, are his creation. They should act according to the regulative principles of this institution and satisfy the Lord, just as different parts of the body all engage in the service of the whole. The whole is the Supreme Personality of Godhead in his Virat Rupa, or universal form. The Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Shudras are respectively the mouth, arms, abdomen, and legs of the universal form of the Lord. As long as they are engaged in the service of the complete whole, their position is secure, otherwise they fall down from their respective positions and become degraded.